What are you doing? 43, I'm out with him. Why are you aiming that at people?
Oh, he's practicing.
Put it down. Put it down?
Well, if you put yours down.
I don't have mine out like you.
Okay, I'll put mine.
I can see it's a toy gun, but come over here with me.
I don't want to go anywhere with you.
I'm telling you to. Come to my truck.
I don't want to go to your truck.
You're not under arrest.
Okay, let's do it here then.
Okay, well then I'm just gonna pat you down for weapons.
Okay, I don't have any.
Quit acting froggy on me.
I don't have
just
any.
stand there.
I'm just standing here. I'm just on my way to get some food.
Okay, stay there.
Don't come towards me.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Don't come towards me.
Yeah.
Don't come towards me.
Yeah. Stop right there.
You're threatening me right now.
I am not threatening you.
You're threatening my life right now.
I am not threatening your life.
Alright, do not come toward me.
Okay, stop walking away from me then.
Do not touch me. You promise?
Let's agree on that.
You promise don't touch me?
Okay, stand right here.
I'll stand right here and don't touch me.
Okay, well I need to at least talk to you close. So what are you doing?
I was just on my way to get some food.
Where are you going to get food?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell?
Yeah,
Do you live up here?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
I live in Brighton.
Brighton?
Yeah.
Okay. You have ID on you? What's your first name?
It's Satan.
Satan? Yeah, that's not going to be a first name for you. What's your first name?
It's spelled S-A-T-A-N.
I know that's not your legal name.
Cool. S-V-E-N.
S-V-E-N?
Yeah.
Sven?
Well, it's Greek.
Okay, is that your first name?
Yeah.
S-V-E-N.
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Oakeson.
How do you spell it?
O-A-K. E-S-O-N.
What's your date of birth?
Asking a lot of questions. What's your date of birth?
You don't need to know that.
You don't need to know that.
Yes, I do.
We're just being boys, doing what boys do.
How old are you?
You know how old I am. How old are you?
I have no idea how old you are.
How old are you?
30.
Yeah.
Now you tell me.
31.
31? Okay, so 92?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your
You know what I'm talking about. Don't play with me.
Okay, what's your date of birth? 92 is the year. What's your date and month? Can you try and run one by name and date of birth? Last name Oakeson.
Who are we talking to?
Oscar Alpha Kilo Echo Sierra Oscar November.
We're talking to other people. We're
First
not
name
talking.
Sven.
We're not talking.
Sierra
You can erase
Victor
that.
Echo November. It's my dispatcher.
We're not talking if you're talking to other people. Alright?
Okay, so what do you have there? Just a Nerf gun?
Yeah.
Do you want to show it to me?
You want to show me yours?
No.
Alright, then what are we doing?
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
I'm just getting food.
Okay, but we have complaints that you're aiming that at people when they're driving by. Is that not true?
I did nothing wrong.
Okay, but is it not true or is it true? You aimed it at me when I drove up.
You? Yeah, you. You're in the game, aren't you?
What game?
We're being boys, doing what we do.
I get that.
Okay. Then I'll see you around.
You're not free to go.
I am free to go.
No, you're not.
Then you're threatening my life.
I'm not threatening your
Do
life.
not.
Come back here.
I'm free to go then.
No,
There's nothing wrong with you, then there's nothing wrong.
Kilo 43, negative NCIT, but I'm going through his 99s now.
I'll keep it all in my pants.
Copy,
I'll keep it in my pants and we'll be good. No harm, no foul.
We're walking towards Classy Chassis Car Wash. Okay, why are you moving?
Because you're acting like I'm under arrest and I'm not.
I'm not. I didn't say you're under arrest.
So you're acting real shady.
But you're detained.
I'm not detained.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm just doing my thing, you're doing your thing. I'll keep it in my pants if people are complaining.
Yeah, well, they are complaining, so I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing.
I was playing I was playing
Quit
a little
walking
bit of
away.
war.
Just stay right here.
I was playing a little bit of war. I didn't know that was going to offend anybody.
You're playing a little bit of war.
Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't like it.
Well, you don't. We're not gonna hurt you. You don't have to like it, but you need to stop where you're.
Whoa, hey!
Okay. Come here.
Get on the ground! I did nothing wrong. Get on the ground! Hey! What are you doing? Get on the ground! What are you f***ing doing? Hey, that's... What are you f***ing doing? Get on the ground! I'm right here. Get that shit off me. Hey! Give me your... Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're hurting me. You're threatening me. Give me your hand. Give it to me nice and easy. No. Give it to me nice and easy. I'm gonna f*** you off. On me. Consider yourself to me nice. Give it to me nice and easy. I'm gonna give you this hot. Get your off me. Okay, keep him down.
My body cam's over there.
Yeah.
What the is this?
Obviously, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not. Get your shit off me. You're not gonna kick me in the f***ing body.
Nobody's kicking.
Get off me. Get off me.
Kicking my back.
Get off me. Get your shit off me. Man,
Get him, boy.
you're hurting me. You're threatening me.
You're kicking my back. I'm just sitting here.
Get off me. Get off me.
Where you at? Easy watch.
We can all sit down together normal.
That ain't happening.
Why? Because you wanted to hurt someone?
You're the one
I'm hurting you.
You punched me, yeah.
Get your shit off me.
Quiet.
Get your shit off me. You're hurting me. You're trying to hurt me. You're threatening me.
Nobody's hurting.
I will destroy you guys.
You're the one kicking me.
I can't breathe.
I got one on.
Oh, yeah, just keep him down.
I can't breathe. Ow. Help me. 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 Help. Help me. Help me. Help me. I will destroy you.
It's okay. It's okay. Breathe.
I can't fucking breathe.
We got you on an angle that your chest is open.
No, it's not. Get off my back.
Hold him there for a second.
Yeah, I don't know which one's mine either.
I'll just sit here and we'll figure this out. Get off me.
Well, that's what I was trying to do is figure it out, dude.
Get off me.
Sit
We
down.
can stand up normal
No,
like people.
just stay.
Sit right there.
No, you were insulting me.
Sit.
You were insulting me.
Sit down.
I can stand if you guys are standing.
Just sit down. Relax. Take a breath.
If those glasses break,
I don't care about your glass.
Put him right here.
what are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I'm just going to eat.
Not anymore, you're not.
What are you talking about? Get your f***.
Shackle it. You want to like shackle him?
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Stop that.
Yourself, bud. Stop moving around.
Get off me. Get off me. Get out of my shit. Get out of my shit. You want to kick me in the nuts? I'll kick you in the...
All right, we're going to try and flip him this way. You ready? Yep. Which way?
I'll just sit. Stand. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow! What are you doing? My head. Get off my head.
I'm pinning you down.
Get off my head. Get off my head. Get off my head. Get off my head. Okay. Help me. You're gonna rip my coat.
His hands aren't double locked.
That's all right. You're gonna break my phone. Do not break my phone. Do not. Do not do any of this.
Dude, you made this harder than it had to be.
What? What? Walking? You keep all that together.
Let's set him in a truck for a second.
My camera?
Yeah.
You got his ID?
Get off me.
I got his ID. Did you already run him?
Get off
It's
me.
the same age.
Let me run him.
Okay.
I did nothing.
Whose car is this?
That's Tom. No,
You guys just start hitting my face?
No, you're hitting us. Nobody hit you at all.
You're hitting me? You're assaulting me?
You kicked my back and you punched my other officer in the face.
He pulled that gun on us, so we can go. Alright. Aggravated as well.
Yeah, I'm aggravated. Boom!
For no reason.
Oh, a ball!
Here, you got some extras?
I do.
Look, ball!
Hold on to me.
You're all dead. Alright. And you know that. I killed them, boys! It was easy.
Man, I haven't seen you in so long.
I killed them and it was easy. I just used a bomb.
44, 32, I don't know if anyone said that yet.
I took a hit.
What car are we putting him in?
This
Does he need
closest
to be
one.
checked out by
Whatever.
fire?
Probably.
I took a hit,
Why don't we put
but
him
I
in the
killed
grass?
them all.
Put him in the grass for now until fire out.
43, start.
That's it. Look at my phone. Look at my phone in my pocket.
What's
Give me the f***ing curb. Get off me, man. Look in my pocket and see if my phone is okay. As I possess ghosts. Fuck possessed ghosts. You dealing with Satan?
Hey, Blakely, you want to step on his chain?
Do not step on my f***ing chains.
Just the chain.
Just the chain.
Not the chain.
Move your leg, dude.
Not the chain.
Man, you're so difficult.
Not the chain. I'm a gangster. I'm a gangster. Do not step on my chain.
Release your foot.
Do you have the chain with your foot? Ian?
No.
Okay. I'll hold it like that. There you go.
There you go.
Okay.
Not really. You're a ghost. Okay. It's Satan.
Okay.
Sit down, dude.
Let me see what this wants for real quick. You guys got it right now?
Yeah. You're going to stay right there.
As big as it's gonna be right now.
I have my knees on.
It's a real gosh. It's because you're cute to me. And you're pretty.
Is it double? Congrats. Alright, just keep your head right here on the cool water.
No, you're
Right
gonna
there.
let go, man.
There you go. Nice and cool.
You're gonna let
Breathe.
go of my head. You're gonna let go of my head. This is a happy snack. It's a happy moment with my boys. Looking tough. It's too bad they had to be ghosts.
They called mid-belt, and I was like, what? Yeah, I know. I heard that too. I was like,
Let me lay flat one way or the other. Okay?
I didn't know where
pick
you
a
guys
one.
were at.
Let me lay on my
I
back.
tried.
I saw some. I think I saw Trey going in the opposite direction.
Get off my shit.
I showed up and I ran.
Let me get my feet flat or something. I'm so uncomfy.
That's okay. Well, dude, give me the opportunity to sit still and you'll be just as comfortable.
You guys work for me. My God, both these
I thought it would be after that.
Let me lie one way or the other.
Oh, here we go. Blake,
I feel so uncomfy. Just let me
got?
lie one way
Relax,
or the
dude.
other. Or sit. You said I could sit over here.
Okay.
You are.
I get to sit.
This is where it's easiest.
Ah, let me sit.
You can sit when you relax.
Yeah, once we can trust that you'll relax.
Uncomfy.
You are not relaxing at all, dude.
That's because I'm not sitting in my throne.
You are laying down in a nice angle where you can breathe with the cool grass on your face.
Let's
Calm
get me
down.
my fucking happy throne.
Full grass.
Let me sit. It's a grassy if you speak that. You know that. Fucking filthy half-breeds, what's that?
Then what happened?
I was just fucking gang-banging, pistol swinging, and then this guy shows up.
Pistol swinging, bro. You ain't supposed to be doing
Rifle. Whatever it needs to be.
that. You're not supposed to be doing that. You know that.
No, I did nothing wrong. I don't know that.
Michael's got his legs.
For the most part.
I'll bet if you relax, these guys would let up off you a little bit.
I'm agitated as
I know, but if you're not agitated, then they'll let up on you a little bit. You just need to cool off a little bit. Are you hurt?
Look at my face. That's Scarface. The devil, you know that.
All I see is a red beard.
Yeah, nothing. Could you imagine? I do that shit for fun. I wanted to show you my. You see it, don't you?
Just
Where
got
are
a ton
you?
of misdemeanor bravos. Spice and shit like that.
Okay.
What? Spice?
Let me sit normal.
How
Let's
you are
move the
being
fuck
agitated.
over. You guys want to be part of the throne?
Weed or spice?
It smells like weed, but it...
Does it taste like spice?
Sure it's not dried up apricot?
What was that?
Yeah, is it, you can hear that?
Is that over here?
This is like right behind us.
Yeah, in the car wash.
Tom, you have his ID?
It's right there.
Okay.
What's going on over there?
Let me get a cigarette right now.
Nope.
What? This is so uncool. Look at the boys. I'm a cop like you. Whew. I'm a cop like you idiots. What are you doing? You're making me look bad with the boys.
You find anything else in his pockets? Couldn't get a real good search on the inside.
Hey, that's a cop. Feel that. That's a cop. Feel that belly. You know that shit. Feel that belly. It's a cop. It's a cop. You know that shit.
Pull him over on the other side.
Problem is I'm trying to keep his feet from flailing around because he's already kicked me a couple times.
Oh, I didn't even see you had him in
Always
shackles.
have.
This is like
boys.
repeat.
Yeah. Ready? Roll him over.
Step on those.
What are we doing? I'm carrying everything I'm supposed to.
This is fun.
Good. This won't be fun.
Good as a broken.
I think it's fine.
Hey! I need that!
We'll get it for you. You're 75 cents.
I had like 15 bucks. Is that it?
You had 15 bucks?
A whole lot more than that, you know that.
Nothing in his back, Alex.
Give me one of those cigarettes and I'll be fine. This is the chief speaking.
Did he like take off from you or something?
He just kept walking backwards, wouldn't stop, and then eventually
I wanted to
ended up.
see
Well, first when I showed up, he aimed it at me, and I could see that it was a Nerf gun. But
and it
he
turns
kept
out
walking
it
backwards when I was
was
trying to get his information. Then Alex showed up.
arguments.
He had already stowed it back in his waistband. I said, "I'm just gonna check you for weapons." And then he got frustrated, kept moving backwards, pulled it out again, aimed it at us, and so that's when I went hands on with him.
I wanted to experiment, cop B, enemy cop. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, what?
I wanted to be in an enemy territory, so I had to have an enemy.
Oh, so you antagonized the whole thing? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
It was a thing of what would I do if I didn't get detained?
You wouldn't be in the situation you're in now if you didn't.
That's why I'm thinking about this whole weapon.
I'm probably the easiest going guy here, dude.
I know, you guys have that right.
What's going on?
Hey, guys. So I saw a little bit of blood on his hand, but I'm not sure where it's coming from. He was fighting us a little bit, so we had to
Just a little bit.
take him to the ground. Where are you hurting, dude? Anywhere?
I'm hurting everywhere right now.
Everywhere?
This was the,
Got a little blood on his wrist. Hand. Somewhere.
Punch in the face? You let him punch you?
Hey, what's your name?
I'm bad boy from the streets.
Bad boy from the streets.
The devil, you know this.
Is that the first
The
name?
chief, the
First
doctor
and
of
last
medicine.
name?
It's Sven.
I'm more mad about it.
I think it's Sven. He told me
Like
it was
from
Satan. He
Frozen?
told me it was Satan at first. Yeah, like the reindeer on Frozen.
Is it alright if we take some vitals on you?
Yeah, I'd like you to. Get these guys off me.
We're gonna keep it right here.
Not if you're not gonna be cool with these guys.
Yeah, dude. You gotta relax, man. Everything you want will happen if you relax.
That's a full body truck.
You get this one up on his forearm.
This is a truck, and we know that. It's perfect strength.
I'm not super worried about vitals though, to be honest with you.
No worries.
So you guys were just worried about his hand? Did he get brought down extremely physically? Like
No, it wasn't.
head or neck or
No,
anything?
it wasn't. It
Was out
wasn't
here in the
that
grass,
crazy.
concrete.
It wasn't that crazy.
We dragged him over the grass.
I'm having good sex.
He got a history of spice.
I'm the king of sex, and I'm having it right now. This is enough. This is enough.
Did you say this is weed or spice?
No prison can hold my. No prison can hold my. You see that big rifle? You see Satan's tail. Go ahead and you feel that up. You go ahead and you feel that up. If Satan has his tail.
I'm not really worried about that. Just see if you get
You
it.
go ahead and follow that trail. You're probably feeling a bit like
If it's got a
Alex.
solid systolic,
You're probably feeling a bit like
just see if you
Alex.
feel
Those
those
lights.
there.
Where's the grain?
Let's get a blood sugar too, and it's all good.
It's the red can. Look at my skull.
Hi, Nick. How are you?
Look at my skull.
You got a red beard.
Look at my head.
We just have to clear the jail nurse. You guys are clear with the jail nurse.
We love it. Good? Look good? I literally could not see you. Hold him down, Ian.
How do you feel about that bad boy? That bad boy from the streets. I got your name, I got your body, I got your mouth. I got your thorn. I got your thorn in my arm.
And that'll be ready. You just gotta reach over and grab it. Do we have name and everything then?
Yeah, ID's right here.
Gosh, if I can find my. Oh wait. Yeah, there you go.
You want to see the other horn?
This is the devil.
I don't think I can see it.
Oh yeah. This is him.
Who did she just poke me? I did not consent.
Oh, I have
Who
questions.
just poked me?
Isn't he strong?
You asked me if you poked me. Who the f poked my
Well, do you
finger?
need anything from me? What do you want me to
Who the Christ just poked my
start
finger?
doing? I got your sharp
Hey,
suit. She hasn't let him back.
Relax, dude.
hey, we're not poking fingers. We're not squeezing chains.
Then we found him at the church down the road at like 32 Angle.
108.
Based off, yeah, just that. He's just pointing at it in the car or something. Over there, that big old like.
Nice strong radial pulse there.
Ah,
No, he didn't fight us. We didn't have any.
did a second ago.
Grandma didn't want to trespass him, so.
you touching my ear.
What
What the Jesus is that?
Yeah.
What the Jesus is this? My fingers in jail?
It's a Band-Aid.
I'm
So,
not fucking God.
Fingers in jail.
You want somebody else to transport for you?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see.
Put him in the back of your dog. Your dog would like it. Yeah.
No, I'm going with hospital,
I
not
just
you.
need a signature.
I'm going with hospital, not you.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm going with hospital, not you. It's my right.
So this is just because.
I'm going with the hospital. That's my right. Transport. I want to get checked out for injury. That's my right.
Yeah, yeah. I'll follow you.
So
Let me bring my truck around. Okay, I'll follow you. Yeah.
Do you need the ambulance moved?
Ambulance.
Sorry, did you?
Ambulance.
yeah,
Oh,
but
you're going helicopter.
Ambulance. That's my right to be checked out by a judge
You are. That's
of medicine.
you want
Medicine.
Um,
I don't have
he
my
screaming he wants it. He doesn't.
I require medicine.
need it though, right?
You're hurting my head. I'm in such pain. My head. My head hurts.
You the man.
My head hurts. Take me to the place. They hit my
Do you
head.
want me to, Tom?
Take me to the
Tom, do you want me to go with whoever
Follow
travels?
him down and do the book. So
ambulance is my right.
take him down.
They're hitting
Follow
my
just in
ears,
case
they're
he
hitting
gets
my body,
stupid on
they're
there.
poking me.
Do you have
I
a?
require a f***ing thing.
Nah, just with the cage. He's shackled. His legs are shackled. He starts breaking the window. Pull over and.
I'm gonna
drag him
follow.
out
I'm
the
gonna
side.
follow him.
I might actually have him follow. You guys check on and do your shit.
Okay.
He's gonna book him anyway.
Hey, does anybody have a foam helmet?
Actually, who has a spit sock? Anybody?
I think I do. My truck. I might have one. Watch his head.
Can we borrow it? Yeah, can we borrow it? We'll bring it back. I promise.
We don't need it. You can have it. Hey, Jesse.
grab one of the spit salts out of you. Thanks, appreciate it.
Hey, you don't have a hobble, do you? You have a hobble? You don't even have a lead, do you? Dude, a 3-foot lead, you're a canine.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, you need a 3-foot lead?
Is it nylon?
Yeah.
You could probably take it around his and take it to the front seat. Oh, I'll keep you from kicking out your window, or his window.
Okay. I'll go see what I got for him.
Run it around the chain, take it underneath there, and hook it to the front seat. It'll keep him from freaking flipping it. All right. Just back it up here. We'll help him to the car.
Hey, I get hospital rights, yeah?
You have rights.
That's
You have
an
rights.
American
We're
right.
going to exercise the rights for you. Don't worry about it.
No, I get to go in the hospital. That's my right.
You're going to get somewhere where they're going to treat you. Don't worry about it.
That's my right. To go in the hospital.
Hey, finish the key.
Is that a right? Is that a right? It
Yeah,
sure is. What the f*** is that?
It's pantyhose for your face.
It's the fucking executioner in your own day. Axis power, you see. What are you doing? Look at you.
Who's the officer guy has face? You need me back? Is he okay?
Yeah, he says
Where
he's
did he
fine.
go?
He's grabbing his truck, driving up now. He just
We're good, Keener.
just a wait driver.
He kicked me in the back.
Oh, you have one too? They just gave me one. Hold on to this one. Just hold on, because you know it's going to be one of those weeks.
Hey, why'd you say that? Come on.
No, thank you very much. You guys have a good one. Hey, hopefully we don't see you again for a while. Watch yourselves.
Covering my face, you can't cover someone's head like that.
Tom, you hold these
I'm
just
claustrophobic.
right here. I'll
I am
just.
Yeah.
claustrophobic. I am
Let's
claustrophobic.
just put all this shit down here for right now. Then
I'm claustrophobic. You can't put this on my head.
dude, it's all nothing but holes. You're good.
No,
It's like pantyhose. You're
it's
set.
claustrophobia. You have to do this.
Because you put your face in the
Where's
grass.
medical? Where's medical? They're
They just-
unable to perform this operation.
Just came.
Hold up on that. You have that 3-foot lead?
Let me go look. Someone wanna?
Somebody step on his chain.
This is the shortest. This is the shortest I got. The next is like a 10.
Dude, look. That's all we're going to do with it. Loop it around through that bottom. We put his feet in. See this right here? Look to that so his legs don't come up. Okay? Okay. So take that end. God, why do I have all cookies almost? Put this through the chain.
That's the way
Loop
it
it on
is.
there. If he starts kicking or doing anything, pull his legs up out from underneath him, okay? Give him room to grab a bite on that chain.
I got a perfect spot right there for him.
Loop it now.
Loop it, yep. While we're walking, if he starts swinging or kicking, pull his legs up from underneath him. You guys ready?
Ready.
Alex?
Yep. All right, we're standing up, homie.
I do a 5-city sweep.
5-city sweep. Hop in.
Give him a Massage him into a chair. And knock him up so the kiddo seat. Hey, you guys have a good one.
Thank you guys.
Friday night, man. Friday night. It's on.
All right, give me a second. I'm gonna put my camera in my keys.
Okay, where?
Lock in, bud.
Sit back, bro. Get me out of here. Sit back in the car. What are you guys doing?
I need to jail, dude.
You're not doing anything.
You got any way to shorten it? You can run it through that loop and all the way back up to the chain if you need to.
No.
Good, Ian?
See if I can
Can you run it through the loop and then bring the hook back up and hook it to the chain? That'll have the.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, there you go.
You want to try and do this? What are you doing, bro? Just leave it off.
Oh, it's not gonna go through.
No, you're gonna
It won't go through that big loop.
Nah.
You're gonna keep that off.
If you were respectful, we wouldn't have to put it on, dude.
This is respect. We're not gonna put that on.
Are you going to be cool if we leave it off?
We're gonna get. Let's do this. Let's do this speedily.
Do you want that off?
Hey,
Then
let's just do this speedily.
Are you going to be calm? Because we can leave it off if you can be calm.
No, I'm with you guys.
Okay, well then if you're calm, we could go. But once you start banging on stuff, we have to tighten everything up for you. You can go comfortably right
I just
now.
want you guys to include me in what you're talking about.
Okay, we're going to take you down right now, okay? But we'll take you down to jail.
Okay.
And then you're going to be in the jail. But we don't have to have all this extra stuff on you if you're calm.
What would it take to not do the check?
We're past that. We'll be honest.
Unfortunately, you had that option a long time ago.
Turn back around.
What it is. Can we treat it how it is? Like,
No, because you're going to be out of jail in no time at all.
Just turn around, okay?
but if we could treat it how it is.
That's how we are. That's how we are.
Put your feet in. We're way past that. We were at that point 30 plus minutes ago.
I was going to say, hey, Alex, unhook the thing for me. Can you see?
Unhook it?
Leave it outside the door.
We can do it really
Go for it.
quickly.
Like that?
I see what you did and
Thank
how
you.
you're operating.
All right.
Start going. Let's stop bullshitting. Roll down. You good, man?